Raise your hand if you own a JL Wrangler or a JT Gladiator. Why'd you raise your hand? You know that I can't see you.
You try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy.
In this video, we are going to discuss one of the coolest things I've ever found to solve one of the most common problems that you guys are going to have with your JL Wrangler and your JT Gladiator. So you know what? Stick around. I promise you're going to want to see this. Welcome back to Jeeping for Beginners, folks. So today we are going to be discussing one of the most common problems we've seen with the 18 through 22 JL Wranglers and the early model JT Gladiators. I've seen a lot of posts online about this. I know a lot of you folks have dealt with this, and that is the sun visors just falling right out of the vehicle. Now, should the vehicle still be covered under warranty? It's super easy. You bring it back to the dealership. They stock 100 of these things and they go in and they replace it with an updated design. This way, it doesn't happen again. But for those of you that are outside of your warranty or extended warranty and don't get it covered, that's like a $200 repair. So who would want to spend $200 on a sun visor, especially for something that you only use, what, once or twice a year, depending upon the angle of the sun? Well, today I'm going to show you how to fix it for only 10 bucks. We're going to prevent the problem, fix the problem, and ensure that the problem's never going to return. You want to know how we did it? Here, check this out. Alright, so basically all we have are these little retainer clips and replacement screws. Now, the kit does not come with directions in order to install, but I'm going to show you how to do it. It's actually super simple and quick and easy. So like I said, this is going to be super simple. You need a T20 Torx bit to take the factory screw out of the sun visor. And we're only going to take the one that's closest to the door jamb out. So once that screw is removed, we're going to use the clip that's provided in the kit for us. We're going to slide that up here and literally press it right on to the base of your visor. Then we're going to take the provided Phillips head screw, which is a little bit longer, and we're going to put it right back up in that exact same hole. So there you have it, folks. It really is that simple and that easy. And just by adding that little clip to the visor should prevent it from working its way out and ever falling down again in the future. So for 10 bucks, how can you go wrong? The kit's available from QMParts Corporation and they sell on Amazon. I'm going to put a link in the description down below this video. I promise you, for you JL and JT owners, it will be the best 10 bucks you've ever spent. Once again, my name is Josh. This is Jeeping for Beginners. Stay safe, happy Jeeping, and we will see you next time.